Hey, we are back for Eureka Math Squared, second grade Module 6 lesson 5 with Mr. Short. How is everyone doing today? I hope that weather's nice wherever you're at. It's getting nicer here for us. I wish it was a little warmer, but my classroom gets really hot, so I don't want it too warm yet because I don't like sweating at school. We don't have air conditioning in my room, so it gets hot real quick in here. Right now, it's only 65 degrees outside, and it's about 77 degrees in my classroom. So it gets hot real quick in here. But that's enough about me. Let's get this math. All right, we're on pages 27 and 28 today. So it says circle groups of 3. Redraw the groups in rows and columns. Okay, so circle groups of 3. 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups. I have 4 groups of 3. So blank rows of 3. Remember, rows go across. Columns go up and down. Remember, columns hold up things. I always think of columns like holding up buildings, right? That's how I think about it. They hold up stuff. Rows go across. Columns go up and down to hold stuff. So we got blank rows of 3. Well, we have 1, 2, 3. Well, we have 3 groups. So we're going to have, just do the best you can drawing. As long as you draw, it looks close enough, no one's going to get mad about that. I have an art degree. Not the best drawer in the world, I can tell you that much. See, that diamond looks really bad, but I know what it's supposed to be. Teachers all know what it's supposed to be. Just do your best. Okay, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of 3. Now it wants columns of 3. There's 1 column. Oh, connect that diamond there, Mr. Short. I know. Sometimes there's not lots to say. I'm trying to concentrate on these diamonds so they don't look like squares, or I don't know. I'm not very happy with this one, but I did my best. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns of 3. So I drew 4 rows of 3 and 4 columns of 3. All right, that's all I wanted. Down here it says draw an array with 16 circles. So an array is a group of rows and columns. I want you to take 16 circles. All right, so I'm going to help with this one, but the bottom one, it says draw a different array. You're on your own. So 16 circles in an array. So I need rows and columns. Well, me being me, I'm going to go with 2 rows. So 2 rows. So what 2 numbers add together nice and neat to equal 16? What plus what equals 16? But it's got to be the same number twice because I need to be nice and neat rows. So what are 2 numbers that add together? It's got to be the same number twice. So not 2 numbers, 1 number that you can double to get 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oops, hold on. I made a snowman. We don't want to talk about snowmen right now. There you go. So now if we look, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. That works. I have 2 rows. It's an array because I have rows and I have columns. So it meets the criteria. All right, now you have to draw 16 circles a different way. A different way. So think about it. How can you draw it a different way? Let's look on the back here and see what page 28 has for us. It says use the inch tiles to measure, circle the correct measurement. So these are all 1 inch. They want to know how wide the camera is. So from corner to corner, how many inches is this camera? If each of these is 1 inch. I'm not helping with this one. This one's on you guys. Well, guys, looks like that's it for me today then. I'm going to go outside and enjoy this weather. I hope you get a chance to. And as always, I hope you have a good